How to make money online? Idea 1. Start writing a blog. Believe it or not, writing a blog is the best way to make money online with the luxury of sitting in your home. Blogging is fun, interesting, and an easy way to make money online and fast with immediate results. There are several tutorials available to assist you with how to start your blog. For those who are unsure about what a blog is, it is the best way to express one's thoughts and teach online. There are several social platforms exclusively to provide opportunities to create a self-hosted blog, for example, WordPress.org, Wix.com, Squarespace.com, etc. You can start writing a post and address a big audience from a single platform. It can also serve to advertise your services and market them to an audience. Idea 2. Start your own YouTube channel. Top YouTubers can make millions each year, and that includes 5-year-olds. Take PewDiePie, who has made more than $15 million filming himself playing video games. But you don't need millions of viewers to make money on YouTube. Some ideas for valuable videos include how-tos such as recipes, unboxing, where you open a product for viewers, food and travel reviews, music videos, comedy skits, and so on. One other thing to mention, you don't have to get in front of a camera to make money with YouTube videos. Many of the most successful YouTube channels are screen capture videos with tutorials of software or videos where you are seeing someone do something or do a voiceover. Idea 3. Selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy. One of the quickest ways to get started selling online is to leverage the power of third-party sites. E-commerce giants like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist are powerful sales and marketing platforms with a built-in prospect base. Millions of people regularly shop on these sites, and the numbers keep growing. These mega sites make it easy to set up shop so customers can browse your products, and there's no need to build your own website. Also, you'll find a built-in search feature so that interested buyers can easily find your online storefront. Plus, you get to use the site's shopping cart. In short, you avoid a lot of the expense and hassle of setting up an independent e-commerce website.